Hey guys, let's take a look at this one where we have to sketch the graph and then we have to state the y-intercept. Now, if this was in Vertex, in standard form, the y-intercept would be easier to find actually. It was in standard form, the y-intercept is just the c value, but we don't have that here. We're in Vertex form, which is great for graphing. And so we'll talk about how to find the y-intercept. So let's start where we would start any time pretty much that we're going to graph is that we want to find the vertex. In vertex form, where you see this parentheses here, the first value, the x value, is going to be the opposite of the parentheses. So it'll be a 3, and then the number at the end, -1. So in parentheses, when you bring it out, it changes to the opposite sign. The number at the end stays the same. Okay, so our vertex is right 3 down 1. So we've moved the graph over. So far, all we've done is slide it over and slide it down. Okay, so from there, we need to sketch it, but we also have to state the y-intercept. So we might as well do two birds with one stone. How about that? Here's how I would think about it. Think about a y-intercept. What does that mean? That's where the graph crosses the y-axis. And think about a y-intercept. Let's think it's not here, but let's imagine that the y-intercept is right here. That's on the y-axis. What is that coordinate point? Think about that. You had to write that as an xy coordinate. That is at 0, -5. What if this was the y-intercept? That coordinate is at 0, +1. What do they have in common? The first value, the x value, is 0. In a y-intercept, x equals 0. We're going to use that idea. So if we know that x equals 0, let's plug in. Let's substitute into the equation with a 0 for x and see what y equals. So it had x in the problem over here. I substituted a 0 to see what my y-intercept is. So y equals 0 - 3 is -3. -3 squared means -3 times -3, which is +9. 9 - 1 is 8. Be sure to use the parentheses if you're just doing this in the calculator. Otherwise, your calculator is likely to give you a wrong answer because it doesn't understand you mean the whole thing squared. Okay, so this is saying we have a point at 0, 8. So 0 up here all the way at 8. That is my y-intercept. So I've already answered the question of what the y-intercept is. It is 0, 8. And then I have to think about, all right, if I'm graphing this, I just want a point on the other side. So I just want to mirror this image. So 0 is 1, 2, 3 away from the vertex. So if I go 3 the other way, 1, 2, 3, that one's also going to be up at 8. And that is going to be where I'm going to try to sketch a nice little graph connecting those. You want it to try to, make the parabola, the U shape at the bottom. And that's it. So that's the graph and that's the y-intercept. And I hope that was helpful. Remember, don't let anyone think less of you because you're young. I'll see you next time.